Today I'm making pickles. First I washed the pickles really good. I also sterilized my jars and my lids and rings. Then I'm doing what's called cold pack. I'm cutting up the pickles in mostly spears, and I put some dill weed in there, just so I don't have any fresh dill, so I'm using dill weed from a jar. And I'm going to put some garlic, a couple of garlic cloves in each one. And then I'm kind of doing this the lazy way. I've got, what I want is dill pickles, so I've got a package here of kosher dill pickle stuff that will make them taste like dill pickles. And I don't think I'll need to use this whole package, but I'll use what I need. Then I'll need to cook my brine. I'll be fixing that in here. And then I'll put my jars in here to water bath. This first pickle that I did was ripe enough that the seeds just wanted to fall out. So I'm going to save those seeds for planting next year. There's a lot of liquid in there. I'll have to get the seeds all dried out and separated from all that goo. Okay, I got my cucumbers all packed in. My brine made with the kosher thing that I showed you, and wiped off the lids and put them in my water bath canner. I'm going to put the lid on, and once that comes to a boil, I will set my timer for 15 minutes. Ooh, poppity-wop. The pickles are out of the water bath. And I just heard one of the lids seal. So they're looking good. It's been a while since I've made canned pickles. I've made fermented pickles and refrigerator pickles, but I'm anxious to be able to eat these. It's been a while since I've done these kind. I realized that was rather brief, but I hope I gave you enough instructions that if you want to do the same thing I just did, you can. So until next time I put out a video, may the good Lord richly bless you. Bye.